Welcome to 6Storage. In this tutorial, we'd like to showcase the new phase of accounting that we've prepared for you. So I'd like to discuss about a few scenarios on your day-to-day rentals or move in or move out, and how the new transaction table or the ledger system reflects data. Let's get started with performing a simple move-in. So I'm just going to go ahead and perform this move-in. It's a $150 unit, inclusive of tax, that totals to $165 for the month of October. I'm just going to real quickly hit on view details to navigate to the lease page, where we can have a better look at the transaction table at the bottom of the page. Scrolling down, you'd find the improvised and descriptive transaction table or the ledger that displays all the details that you'd need to understand about the transaction. You'd find here that it reads an invoice stating 2007 has been generated for the period October, and similar to that, the payment collected, $165 has been paid against the invoice 2007. What I'd like to do next is a couple of more scenarios to explain in detail. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a future invoice for the month of November. And it reads invoice 2008 has been generated for the period 1st of November till the month end. I'm just going to go top and apply a discount real quick to show you how the transaction table reflects when you apply discounts. Simply choose an invoice. I'm going to give that a $15 discount. Drop in a quick comment and hit on save. The discount has been applied successfully. Now scrolling down back to the transaction table, you'd find it be more descriptive than before, telling us in detail about the applied discount. There you go, a $15 has been discounted against the invoice 2008, thus leaving us with a balance of $150. So simply choose an invoice. You could find that the amount chargeable is going to be $150. However, I'm going to be changing that to $200 for now. You'd find the remaining $50 is going to be calculated as an advance or credit. I'm just going to choose the payment type and quickly show you as to how this reflects in the transaction table. Well, there you go. The transaction table reflects a payment, and the description reads $200 has been paid against the invoice 2008, of which $50 is added to the advance. So this makes it much clearer for us to understand what the payment is and how the remaining balance is being adjusted. I'm just going to go ahead and create the next invoice for December to show you how the transaction table reflects the credit of $50. Scrolling down below, you'd find that the invoice is created for the month of December 2009, along with invoice 2009 has been adjusted through the advance of $50 payment. So now this is the revised and refined version of our accounting system, which makes it easier for you to understand each transaction in a very, very clear way. We'd hope to make the software much easier and user-friendly towards your experience, and hope you like this great update that we've given you this time. Thanks for choosing 6Storage support.